Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out another Winky Lux product. So I got this in my recent PR box, which I featured in my recent PR haul video. If you have not seen that unboxing video yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below. But this here is the Winky Lux Creamy Dreamies Shea Butter Lipstick. And I'm so excited to try this out. I got it in the shade Milkshake. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, vegan, and it sounds so perfect for my dry lips. It's a moisturizing balm and sheer lipstick all in one. It has shea butter to help soothe, protect, and hydrate the lips, and vitamin E to lock in moisture. It's also infused with natural vanilla flavor. So I bet this smells so good. It retails for $15 and it comes in some other shades as well. The packaging is so cute. I am so excited to see how this color looks. Oh, and it smells so good and sweet. I can definitely smell that hint of vanilla. I'm gonna do a swatch on my hand before I apply it to my lips, but oh my gosh, so creamy. And that's actually a lot of pigment. I would not consider this very sheer at all, which I am glad to see. That looks beautiful. A nice berry shade. Now let's see how it looks on my lips. Oh my gosh, it is so nice to apply. It's definitely more like slick than other stick lipsticks like this. So I was very surprised by the texture, how it just so easily slides across the lips. And you get really great color from just one swipe. That's like full opaque color. Just out of habit, I want to just go over one more time and build up the color, but it really doesn't even need it. So pretty. It really is such a rich red shade. I probably do need a lip liner, more so just for my top lip to perfect the shape, because I am not super precise at applying, especially on my top lip. And since it is more of a bold berry red shade, I want the outline to look perfect, but I love a lip liner, so I have no problem wearing a lip liner with this because I typically always wear lip liners with any lip product anyways. Whether it's a lip gloss, lipstick, I love to wear lip liner. But this formula is so beautiful. Very hydrating, as if I had a lip balm on my lips. So my lips look smoothed out, they feel so comfortable, the color is even, the finish on it is like a cream finish. I feel like because of that there is going to be transfer, so let's see. Yeah, a lot of transfer with this. Such a pretty kiss mark though, right? But wow, still really intact on my lips. Like, this is a really nicely pigmented lipstick in my opinion. It's funny that it has that sheer claim, because I'm actually very impressed by the pigment and how long lasting it is for such a creamy formula considering that pigment. I also really like this color. It's growing on me and I feel like it's one of those kind of universally flattering shades that it's like a classic red lip, but just a little bit different. Like, it's got a little splash of berry in there to give it more of like a purpley hue than a classic red, but still you get your kind of statement red lip, which I always love. So Winky Lux impresses me again with their lip products. No surprise, they make the most amazing lip products, especially lip balms. And since this is kind of a variation of a lip balm, I'm not surprised that this is amazing and so comfortable and hydrating on my lips, as well as being beautiful. So thank you so much for watching my video today. be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.